Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I have a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Maaya Sakamoto collaboration, and we will be using some of the stickers that are shown here. First, I wanted to show you how beautiful this planner really is, especially if you open up the book and you see the whole picture that's printed across it. This is my dream Hobonichi Weeks, and I'm glad that I'm able to get her, even though it was not so straightforward, but I'm very happy that I'm able to use her. We will be planning in the week of the 6th. This is week 22, and I'm just using this rose gold clip from 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. It's such a massive one so that the pages will lie flat. This sticker sheet is PVC or clear sticker, and this is from AliExpress. It has cotton flowers, and I thought that it has a very nice color scheme that will go well with the ink that I'm using from Ferris Wheel Press. I'll show you the ink in a little bit, but first let's put down all of the stickers that can fit into this spread. I'm not using all of the stickers in the sheet, just a few ones that I think are very pretty and would fit this spread. I'm placing the stickers in areas that I know I won't be utilizing as much, so that if I can't write on that page, then it is going to be alright. Putting down stickers is not something that I do quite often in my functional planning in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega, but this is my personal planner, so I don't have to consult it often or write a lot of things. First, I am highlighting that area. It is Monday, so I think that it's a great idea to set the week by filling in the Monday section. I've already written quite a few things, but I'm also writing down events and appointments on the other days. I will likely be writing a lot of things on the weekends because this is my personal planner, and most of the weekdays I just do work. Sometimes 10 hours even, depending on how busy my schedule really is. If you don't know already, I am a PhD student full-time and a YouTuber on occasions. And if you'd like to see the finished spreads, make sure that you are following me on my Instagram. So I'm switching between two types of grays, a warm one and a neutral one. The warm one is leaning a little brown, whereas the neutral one, such as this one, is leaning on the white side. So the ink that I'm using from Ferris Wheel Press has a very red tone in the beginning, but it dries down to a more purpley red, like a wine red. It also has red flecks. Unfortunately, the fountain pen that I'm using, the Pilot Kakuno, is in an F nib. I do have another Kakuno that has an M nib, which should help with the dispersal of the gold flecks. So in the giant notes section, I wrote down dinners, and this is one of the very few times that I've tried this out, but I wanted to mark some of the meals that we've been having so that we don't often repeat it, and I remember to switch it up once in a while. And I also wanted to track a little bit of social media. I do have a giant section in my ring planner, which I will show you one day, maybe in my Q3 lineup. But for now, I just have this little section so that I can archive how often I've been posting on my Instagram as well as my YouTube. Under that, I wanted to write down some expenses. I wanted to make sure that I am being clear and following my budget. So if you've noticed, I've been switching between the two grays, and I think that it adds a little more aesthetic, but also it helps me separate the different sections of my planner. In this section, this is my currently section, and I just note down what I'm currently reading, watching, as well as playing. So we are a gaming family. We do enjoy games. We have a subscription with Xbox, and right now we are also playing Diablo Immortal on mobile. And of course, in the very last section, if you are a long-time subscriber, then you know what this section will be, and it is the next week section. I always want a little bit of space to dump all of the things to get ready for the next week. And this is the finished spread. Let me just take out the clip up at the top, and then I'll show you the spread close up in a little bit as well. So this is a really cozy spread, a little bit on the decorative side, but I feel like it's just a really nice balance between functional as well as decorative. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.